The Lady of the Lake told me to wait for guidance from a queen I killed to find my way to the shards of Arthur's soul. Her annoyingly cryptic remark alluded to Queen Guinevere, of course, so I wasn't surprised when I received a message from Queen Guinevere by a raven that could talk. Guinevere is under siege. If I help her, I will get that promised guidance.
What a ragtag army. Savage Picts and cunning cutthroats from the woods. Why are they laying siege to Guinevere's castle? Somebody must have sent them here.
The man who killed me. Imagine my surprise when I heard about your arrival in Avalon. Still, you recognized me, as I can recognize the darkness of your soul, darker than the feathers of my ravens. Help! You were an option, my best, my only option. I am a priestess of the Lady of the Lake, and you serve her. She sent you here, and she knows why. My castle is under siege. I will await you here. Follow my ravens and do what you always do. Kill everyone who stands in your way. Please.
Finally! Oh, the subtle thread of manipulation I had to weave to make these two meet. A queen and a king killer. Sworn enemies and unlikely allies for my cause.
Destroy their advance guard first. Then we can talk.
It won't be a problem.
The Lord is my witness.
I am here to serve. Camelot!
I serve the Lord.
I am ready. Feel the pain!
Ah! None can stand in my way.
I am here to serve. Ready to fight.
Sinners shall bleed. Down with the vileness.
Prepare to die.
Feel the pain.
The Lord is my witness. For the Lord Almighty.
I am ready. Ready to fight.
Sinners shall bleed.
Time to feed the ravens.
No mercy for the wicked.
Impressive. This is how I remembered you, Sir Mordred. Covered in blood, seething with fury. Rabble. Morgau's lured savages here to weaken my defenses, while her real army is preparing for the final charge. Not here in the camp, but yes, she is here in Avalon. I found her presence just as surprising as yours. That would have been something, but no. Her Picts found their way to this island, and they brought her back. She also employs bands of mercenaries. The Picts are her elite warriors. With an army like that, she could conquer the entire island. Yes, they built a siege engine on this side of the tower, and a Pict shaman is preparing a powerful spell on the other. We have to stop them before it's too late. I can't stop him on my own. He is summoning a creature of the depths. It could crawl through the earth and shake the foundations of my tower. A trebuchet. If you help me get there, I will burn it to cinders. But it is heavily guarded. It could make you a worthy man. Worthy of yourself, of the Lady of the Lake, and yes, of me too. Who do you take me for, Mordred? I can take care of myself, and I will accompany you.
I am here to serve.
Blessings.
Kneel before your king.
For king and country.
Sinners shall bleed.
I am here to serve. Onwards!
None can stand in my way.
I am here to serve.
Blessings.
Time to feed the ravens.
Your Highness?
Ready to fight. This fight is over. This is my lucky day.
Treasure.
The Lord giveth. This may serve a higher purpose. By God!
Hey! We were here first. This is our loot. They're not with us, you bloody moron.
I am ready.
None can stand in my way.
Blessings.
At your service, my lord.
I am here to serve.
I serve the Lord.
Time to feed the ravens. Prepare to die. Kneel before your king.
Ready to fight.
Your head is mine.
Your Highness?
Fight is over. More things to plunder.
What is this thing?
Look what I found.
How could Morgause be in Avalon? She and the Lady of the Lake were always enemies.
The Picts brought her here. They thought they could keep her in chains, but now she rules them by fear and magic.
Something to line our pockets. I see a campfire.
We must stop the summoning ritual. With each passing heartbeat, the danger grows.
Your Highness?
I fight for honor.
Your Highness?
The Lord is my witness.
Awaiting your command. Onwards!
Time to feed the ravens.
Blessings.
I am here to serve.
At your service, my lord.
Your Highness?
Sinners shall bleed.
I am here to serve.
Sinners shall bleed. Sinners shall bleed. The Lord guides my hand.
Your command. Here it comes. The worm of the earth. Kill it! For Camelot.
Awaiting your command. Take it off.
Your command.
Your Highness?
Sinners shall bleed.
I am here to serve.
Kneel before your king.
The Lord is my witness.
Attack!
Time to feed the ravens.
I am ready.
Blessings.
One less abomination crawling around. Let's destroy that siege engine now.
Well rested and ready.
For king and country.
Blessings.
For my Camelot.
The Lord is my witness.
I am here to serve. I am here to serve.
I serve the Lord.
Your Highness?
Kneel before your king.
Awaiting your command. I am ready.
Sinners shall bleed.
Ready to fight.
None can stand in my way.
Awaiting your command.
Sinners shall bleed.
I am ready.
For my Camelot.
I serve the Lord.
Your Highness? Your Highness?
Kneel before you.
No mercy for the wicked.
I am ready.
For king and country.
No mercy for the wicked.
Awaiting your command.
I serve the Lord. Down with the vileness.
None can stand in my way.
Your Highness? Attack!
None can stand in my way.
Thou shalt not kill, said the Lord.
Why would Morgul send an army to lay siege to your tower?
For the Excalibur. I kept the sword for Arthur, and Morgause thinks it is still here.
Hey, you can rest in the grave.
Your Highness?
I am here to serve.
No mercy for the wicked.
Time to feed the ravens.
Your command.
Kneel before your king.
Stay alive. Just a little longer.
Your Highness?
No mercy for the wicked.
Your command.
I serve the Lord.
I can take them all.
The Lord is my witness.
For my Camelot. None can stand in my way.
Your Highness?
For Camelot.
Awaiting your command.
Your orders.
No mercy for the wicked.
I am ready.
I am ready.
The Lord is my witness. The Lord guides my hand.
Awaiting your command.
Blessings.
I am ready.
For my Camelot.
I never thought I'd say it, but I'm grateful for your assistance. This was an important victory, but you must know that the lady arranged this meeting for a reason. She wants us to talk about Arthur. I know you defeated the Knight of Midnight, and we both know about the shards of Arthur's soul. I can help you more than you think. The fragment you are looking for is embedded in the tortured flesh of the Fisher King. And when the king suffers, the land suffers with him. It happened to Arthur in Britannia, and so it is happening here again. Before the storm, this land belonged to King Pellam, a righteous ruler who devoted his life to the Christian God, but never tormented the followers of the old faith. Worse, reborn as the Fisher King, he is a monstrous fusion of Arthur and Pellam, ruling with an iron fist and through terror. No, Morgause is leading the Picts against him. The wasteland is devouring their forests, and as long as the king is alive, the rot will spread. He lives in Corbinic, in King Pellam's castle. The Holy Grail was guarded there by Sir Percival, but after the storm, it all changed. The Grail is lost, and Sir Percival has been exiled. Now the castle is the heart of the wasteland, and the king's sick soul is poisoning the land of Avalon from there. He is Arthur sometimes. He remembers me, but that fragment is barely more than his remaining hatred and suffering. The Fisher King almost never leaves his castle, but I can lure him out. Arthur's fragment has feelings for me. Be ready and wait for my call, Sir Mordred. We'll meet him, and together we shall kill him.
What do we have here?
You surely not remember me from Britannia, Mordred. I was not a warrior back then,